Let's review and apply the divisibility rules which you have just learned in the previous videos. So I'm calling this video as Summary of Divisibility Rules. Question is, consider a 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, P, right? So P could be any number from 0 to 9. Find all possible values of P that will make this number divisible by 2 or divisible by 3, like that, right? So I'd like you to copy the question, write down your answers, and then match with mine. So let's go through it one by one. So we have a 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, P, where the ones place is by any digit from 0 to 9. We need to find all possible values of P so that the whole number 1, 2, 3, P is divisible by these numbers individually. So let's look into divisibility by 2. In that case, P should be what? In that case, P should be even number, right? So we are looking for answers like 0. P could be 0, it could be 2, 4, 6, or 8. So these are the possible values which P can have so that it is divisible by 2. So those are the answers for the first one. Now I think you get it. So apply your rules and write down the answers for rest of the parts. So let's move on. Divisibility by 3. What is the rule? Rule is when you add all of them, then the number you get should be divisible by 3. So let's start adding. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 6 is divisible by 3, so up to 1 to 3 it is divisible. What should be? P. So that's easy. P could be 0, right? Then also the sum is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. P cannot be 1 because 6 plus 1 is 7. It cannot be 2. It could be 3, right? So it is 3. So what we can have, if P is divisible by 3, then it works for us, right? So P could be 0, 3, and 3 plus 6 and 9. That gives rest of the numbers. How about 4? Rule for 4 is that the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Now 30 is not divisible, but 32 is. So P could be 2, right? Now if we know that 2 is divisible, that means 1, 2, 3, 2 is divisible. 32 is the last 2 digits. Then the next should be plus 4. So we could write this as 2 plus 4, 6, correct? 36. 36 goes 9 times. And then could we have, next will be 10. Well, that will make it 40. So that is not possible. So these are 2 possible values of P which will make this 4-digit number divisible by 4. How about divisibility by 3? How about divisibility by 6? Now a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So let's look for numbers which are common to both, right? So we have 2 of them common, which is 0 and then 6, right? So these are possible solutions. So P could be either 0 or 6. Then it is divisible by 6. How about divisibility by 9? For the number to be divisible by 9, we should add them and it should add to 9. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus what is 9? 6 plus 3. So 3 is the first number. No other number, right? So within a set of 10 numbers, we only get 1, right? Which is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12, which gets us to 1, 2, 4, 2, which is not working for us, correct? How about divisibility by 11? Now for 11, we know that the rule is that we have to add alternate numbers. If I add 1 and 3, what do I get? I get 4. So what added to 2 will give me 4? It is number 2, right? So with 11, P could be 2. So these are the solutions for us. Well, I left 5 and 10 for you. So you can figure out what should be the value of P so that this 4-digit number is divisible by 5 and is divisible by 10, correct? So you can do that, and then let's see more videos on divisibility. Thank you and all the best.